Trading is waiting. Oh, this hits me hard. Trading is waiting. What's up? Alex O Crypto here with another mindset video just to help you guys out. Trading is waiting. Who would have thought that trading is waiting? Now, trading is very, very different than a lot of things. You know, when things are going up, we think, oh, we should buy. No, we're supposed to be selling. When things are going down, we're supposed to be buying, right? All this reverse psychology, stuff like this. Oh my God, it's so hard, but trading is waiting. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's avoid impulsive decisions. Let's avoid thinking that we need to be trading all the time, okay? I think when I first came into this market that I need to become a scalper. Let's go down to the 1 minute, right? Let's jump in here. Let's get in, get out, get in. No. Avoid this impulsive thoughts. Let's go to the charts with a plan. Let's execute that plan. Look, we got plans all around. Plan on Gala, plan on ADA, plan on Jasmine, plan on Bitcoin. We got plans, okay? Now, what is our job? We need to be patient. Trading is patient, right? Trading is being patient. Trading is waiting, okay? So do me a favor. Friends, let's make plans. Let's be patient and let's wait. Let's wait for the prey to come to us, for the market makers to move that price in the direction where we're waiting to grab that liquidity. And guess what? They're trying to grab liquidity and we're jumping into those long and short trades, and we are getting good entries and extracting profits along the way. Trading is waiting, okay? So do me a favor, my friends. This is just a quick reminder to every single one of you that trading is waiting and we need to be patient, and we can grow together by practicing good risk management, preserving our capital, having a long-term outlook. But we can't do any of these things if we're not patient and we're not waiting for these things to come to us. We cannot be impulsive. We will end up losing and blowing up our accounts. We will end up not being profitable in the long term. Let's have a long-term outlook. Let's be patient. Let's wait just a little bit longer and be okay with missing some trades along the way, because trading is waiting, and let's wait for those setups in order to pay ourselves, in order to not FOMO in order to practice good risk management and not revenge trade. Trading is waiting. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless. We'll see you later. Bye.